Hi guys, my name is Jan Harvey Java, representing San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. May preparation, siguro yung may communication skill, and of course if ever yung question and answer ko. Ayan. For me, siguro yung kaya ako pinili itong Misters. My dream pageant talaga is yung national pageant. So I think ito na yung chance ko makapag-join sa national pageant. Itong Misters of Pilipinas. Ayan. I think ang mga-contribute ko sa organization is magbibigay ako ng siguro ng mga positivity and yung mga to encourage na kabataan na pasukin yung industry ng pageantry. Ayan. And so guys, I'm inviting you to watch Misters of Pilipinas final on October 10. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Thank you.